What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today we're harvesting some Tabasco peppers. And we're also harvesting poblano peppers. Look at all these ants on our poblano pepper plant. This was not here 2 or 3 days ago. We're also harvesting sunflower seeds today. Let us know in the comment section if you grew poblano peppers this year. And what's your favorite thing to eat poblano peppers with? Remember, we harvested all of those serrano peppers? Now we got a second harvest. Let us know in the comment section if you harvest all of your Tabasco peppers when they turn red, or do you also harvest some when they're yellow? We can't wait to find out how spicy these Tabasco peppers are. Wonder if these Tabasco peppers are gonna be spicier than the cayenne peppers. Let us know in the comment section, what's your favorite hot sauce? Is it Frank's, Louisiana hot sauce, Crystal's, Tabasco hot sauce? What's your favorite? And why is it your favorite? Is it because how spicy it is? Is it because you like a vinegar tasting hot sauce? Out of all the pepper plants we grew this year, this Tabasco pepper plant and our hot burrito pepper plant are our favorites. We just love the way they grow, and the plant structure, and how the peppers stick straight up on the plant, and the different colors. How did you guys Tabasco pepper plants did this season? Did they give you multiple harvests, or did they not do so great this year? Can't wait to find out how spicy these are. Wonder what's the difference in spice level between the yellow Tabasco peppers and the red ones. Are peppers still growing in your zone? Or has it already gotten too cold for peppers in your zone? $200 Tabasco peppers later, we're almost finished. What's your favorite thing to eat Tabasco hot sauce with? So now that we're done harvesting our Tabasco peppers, let's harvest some sunflower seeds. So this is what we harvested from our Tabasco and our poblano pepper plant. Can't even see the poblano peppers because all the Tabasco peppers covering them. So these are American Giant sunflower seeds. Guess who don't have to pay for sunflower seeds next year? Let's see. All these free seeds. What's better than free seeds? Pretty sure with this many seeds, we won't ever have to pay for seeds again. Check this out, guys. While I was harvesting sunflower seeds, I turn around and look what I see. Potatoes growing right by the compost pile. See that? One right here and one right there. These potatoes just keep growing everywhere. It was actually a potato plant growing in our 30-gallon compost container with our ghost peppers. So yeah, potatoes and compost go crazy. Let's throw some of these seeds and see if we have volunteer sunflowers next year.